Go down. You go down for me. Who made you smoke in the car?
I don't smoke anymore.
It's not that you are not allowed to smoke, but open the window when you smoke.
I don't want to open it when it's so cold.
You open the window on your side with a 2-finger wide gap and the smoke will be exhausted quickly.
Really?
If you open the window correctly, it will be more comfortable than turning on the air conditioner, and it can also save fuel. It is very simple. If the smell in the car is relatively strong, we can close one window alone, and then open the other 3 windows, so that the smell in the car will disappear soon. In addition, it is not very fuel intensive to turn on the air conditioner in summer. We can open half of the main driving window and half of the diagonal rear windows. In this way, the heat in the car will be discharged quickly, which is cool and fuel efficient. If it is too noisy to open the window, we can open half of a window alone. Do not move other windows, and then open the skylight by 1/3. So that not only the noise is small, but also the wind blowing in is particularly comfortable. The last thing to note is that you must not open the rear window alone or lower all the windows, so that not only the people sitting in the car will be blinded by the wind, but also the fuel consumption will increase. Follow me and go to the homepage to learn more car knowledge.